In this video, I'm going to compare Melio versus Stripe. We'll compare both companies in terms of their pricing, features, user feedback, pros and cons, and more. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding of which one is best for you. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Melio or Stripe, make sure to use my link down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with an overview. In the realm of digital payment solutions, Melio and Stripe stand out prominently. While both offer services that facilitate payments, they serve slightly different niches in the market. Melio is primarily designed for businesses looking to manage their bills and payments in a streamlined way, especially catering to small to medium-sized businesses. On the other hand, Stripe has positioned itself as a robust platform for online businesses, enabling them to accept payments, manage subscriptions, and even handle other financial operations. Let's now take a deeper look at the features of both companies, and we will start off with Melio. Melio's primary strength lies in its mission to simplify business payments, particularly focusing on small and medium-sized businesses. Easy payment management. Melio allows businesses to manage all their bills in one place, whether paying suppliers, service providers, or utility companies. Flexible payment methods. You can pay via bank transfer, ACH, or card, even if your vendors only accept checks. Melio sends a paper check on your behalf if needed. Payment scheduling. Ensure you manage your cash flow effectively by scheduling payments to align with your financial cycles, avoiding late fees, and taking advantage of early payment discounts. Integration with accounting software. It integrates with QuickBooks and Xero, allowing easy synchronization of bill payments and accounting management. Managing receivables. Suppliers can utilize Melio to manage their receivables and track incoming payments. Mobile app. A convenient mobile app allows managing and scheduling payments on the go. Features of Stripe. Stripe is a giant in the online payment platform arena, providing a spectrum of features for various businesses from startups to established enterprises. Accepting payments. Stripe supports countless payment methods, including all major debit and credit cards, plus numerous local payments methods and currencies, providing a global payment solution. Subscription and billing. It automates recurring billing, provides subscription management, and allows creating custom billing cycles catering to businesses with subscription models. Marketplace payments. With Stripe Connect, it supports marketplace and platform payments, facilitating easy payouts to sellers or service providers on platforms. Businesses can use Stripe's pre-built checkout pages or design their own custom checkout experiences, ensuring brand continuity. Fraud protection. Employing machine learning, Stripe Radar actively protects businesses from fraudulent activities, securing transactions and safeguarding business operations. Stripe Atlas. It aids startups in setting up a business, creating a legal entity, and starting to accept payments online swiftly and conveniently. Mobile payments. It facilitates in-app payments, ensuring that businesses catering to mobile users can provide seamless transactions. Developer friendly. A robust API and comprehensive documentation make Stripe exceedingly developer friendly, allowing extensive customization and integration. Financial services. Through Stripe Capital, it provides businesses with access to the capital they need to grow, while Stripe Issuing enables creating, distributing, and managing physical or virtual cards. E-commerce integrations. It can be integrated with various e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, providing an effortless online shopping payment experience. So what do other users have to say about Melio and Stripe? Melio's users often applaud its user-friendly interface and the elimination of manual checks, making bill payments efficient. Its integration with accounting tools means businesses can maintain records seamlessly. Stripe's clientele, which includes some significant players in the online marketplace, often highlight its versatility. Its comprehensive documentation and API customization capabilities make it a favorite among developers. However, for non-tech savvy individuals, the sheer breadth of Stripe's features might seem overwhelming. Let's now take a deeper look at the pricing structures of both companies, and we will start off with Melio. Melio focuses on simplicity in its pricing, aiming to be both accessible and economical for small and medium businesses. Bank transfers. Free. That's right, if you're using Melio for ACH bank transfers, you incur $0 fees per transaction. Credit card payments, 2.9%. In figures, if you're paying a vendor $100 using a credit card, your total cost will be $102.90. No additional fees. $0 in monthly fees, setup fees, or hidden costs, providing transparency and predictability in budgeting. Pricing structure of Stripe. Stripe's pricing, on the other hand, caters to a broader range of functionalities and scales with business usage. Online card transactions. The cost is 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful charge. So if you charge a customer $100, the total cost is $103.20. In-person card transactions. With Stripe Terminal, you're looking at 2.7% plus 5 cents per transaction. Charging $100 would cost you $102.75. International transactions. An additional 1% fee for international cards and an additional 1% if currency conversion is needed. For a $100 international transaction, you'll incur a fee of either $103.90 or $104.90 if currency conversion is required. Let's now talk about the pros and cons of both Melio and Stripe. Starting with Melio, its primary advantage lies in its user-friendly design, making B2B payments a breeze. The platform is a godsend for small businesses, particularly because bank transfers come with zero fees, ensuring cost savings. Furthermore, its seamless integration with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks offers a streamlined financial management experience. However, Melio isn't without its limitations. It's mainly suited for bill payments, so its scope can feel narrow compared to comprehensive platforms. Moreover, while bank transfers are free, the 2.9% fee on credit card transactions can add up, especially for businesses that rely heavily on card payments. Moving on to Stripe, its versatility is its biggest strength. Catering to a wide range of online businesses from small startups to sprawling e-commerce giants, it offers a plethora of features and customization options. Whether you're looking to process a simple card payment or manage a multi-vendor marketplace, Stripe has got you covered. Additionally, its developer-centric approach means businesses can tweak the platform to their specific needs. However, this vastness can be a double-edged sword. For some, particularly those less tech-savvy, navigating Stripe's countless features can feel overwhelming. Additionally, while its pay-as-you-go pricing is straightforward, costs can accumulate for high-volume businesses, potentially affecting profitability. What about other services? Beyond their primary services, both platforms offer additional tools. Melio provides an easy way for vendors to manage their receivables. Stripe, being a vast ecosystem, offers Stripe Connect for marketplaces, Stripe Radar for fraud detection, and even Stripe Issuing to create physical or virtual cards. Alternatives. If neither Melio nor Stripe fits your needs, several alternatives in the market might. For B2B payments similar to Melio, there is Bill.com or Veeam. For a comprehensive online payment solution like Stripe, alternatives include PayPal, Square, or Braintree. In conclusion, choosing between Melio and Stripe largely depends on your business needs. If you're a small to medium enterprise focused on simplifying bill payments, Melio is a clear choice. For businesses diving deep into the online market, Stripe's vast array of tools can be invaluable. Regardless of your pick, both platforms exemplify the evolution of digital payment solutions, making business operations smoother and more efficient. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Melio or Stripe, you can use my links down in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.